Hi friends, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas. Today we are going to do a cookie butter espresso martini. I've been seeing them online and I wanted to try it. So here we are going to go ahead and make the espresso. I put 2 tablespoons of cookie butter at the bottom of the cup before I started to do the espresso. So here you see me going ahead and getting that shot ready. Now I have cookie butter spread and cookie butter crumble. So I put the spread all over the rim first, and then I went behind that and added well, you'll see me in a second go behind that and add the crumbles on top of it because it sticks to the actual cookie butter. So now we're going to go ahead and add our espresso and cookie butter mixture in there. If you want it sweeter, I would add cookie butter into the shaker as well, but it was just perfect for me. That's a shot of Tito's vodka, and then we're going to do a shot of Bailey's in there. Pour it on up. Get our shaker ready. I made a little mess on the table. Excuse that. Shake, 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 shake. Get in there. Get it all shaken up very well. And then we're going to get our glass and pour our mixture in there while I espresso martini in there. And then I went ahead and topped it with some of the crumbles. And then I have a cookie. It's the Biscoff cookie. And then I added in a few coffee beans because that's what they do for espresso martinis. So here is the finished product. I think it came out so good. If you guys try it, let me know what you think.